of your stinking alarm. Demi? Demi? Oh, right, she's at her sleepover. I knew that. Oh, well, I guess I have to do chores. Well, I did my bed, and thank God Demi did her bed. Well, I should eat breakfast. No, lunch. Yeah, lunch. Because I don't have anything for breakfast. This is good. Very good sandwich I made. Well, I should take a shower and, like usually, listen to music. Now shampoo. Now I have to turn it back on again. Huh. Well, that was a very, very, very nice shower I took. Now, like, oh, I still have to check something. Something's in my locker. Good, it's in there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is my kind of music. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it. Bling, 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 bling. Oh, some phones are ringing. Go get it. Ah, I almost fell. Why do I always leave my phone in the bathroom? Beep. Hello? Yes, is this Josephina talking? Yes. Well, I was gonna say something. Oh yeah. Do you want to come to the pool with me? Who is this? This is Brittany. Your friend from cheer? From cheerleading, I mean? Yes, I know you. Yes, I would love to. Let me just put on my swimsuit. Okay, but hurry, it starts at 6. Wow, okay. And it's also a pool party. I forgot to mention that. Oh, cool. Should I bring my beach ball? Sure. Okay, bye. Bye. Boop. I'm so excited. I'm going to a pool party. Woohoo. Oh, yeah. And I still have my headphones. Well, I am ready to go. Let's go. Party. Hi guys, this is me, Multi23. And this little film was a true story. I am going to a pool party today at 6, and it actually had the right time. And it's on the 14th, like today. And well, what sucks is that I don't end at 10, and we usually leave at 10, like the time does. And well, I don't have time to watch because it shoots for the stars. But guess what? My TV can record, which is so cool, and I'm excited to watch it tomorrow morning. So yeah. So I'm so excited, and I'm just gonna show you guys quickly her hair. It's braided on each side, and I made a ponytail. And this hair tie is from the campus cheer gear that my brother got me. Really cute. I could go get it right now. So yeah, I'm sorry if I didn't get to make an opening video because I just got 2 things and that's it. So first are the pom-poms, the little shoes, the socks, the Spanx, and subscribe.